Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to link a page or a hidden page into your Squarespace website. Hidden pages are great when you're building private content, special offer pages, portfolio items, or onboarding pages you don't want appearing in the main menu. This is especially useful for more professional websites. So, the process is going to be very easy and very simple. We are going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to find the account dashboard. So once we have the access to it, we're going to select the website that we want to have the procedure on. Click on Go to Website and wait for a few seconds. Normally, it is going to take you to the specific page. Additional tip: if you manage multiple websites inside your Squarespace account, make sure you're editing the correct one. You can rename sites inside the dashboard to stay more organized. Now, this is the standard page. Now, we are going to head over the home page, and normally it is going to be something like that. So this is the website editor from Squarespace. We're going to head over to the left side of the screen, click from here, Pages, and then we are going to find the main navigation, which is going to be the menu bar right there, or the menu that you're going to find in here, and also the not linked or the hidden one. So these are going to be hidden, like the home one or the home page is going to be hidden. From here, the inquire or the privacy policy and the work page are going to be, as you can see, hidden. Additional explanation: not linked does not mean the page is private. It only means Squarespace does not automatically show it in the menu. Anyone with the link can still access it, so remember to password protect pages if you want true privacy. How to link them? Basically, it is going to be very simple. Either you are going to take that specific page and grab it from here to the main navigation like that, and it is going to be here appearing. Or if you're going to let them hidden and only appear on a specific button or a specific text, you can go ahead and add some elements or a block, and then you're going to find it. Click on Edit. I'm going to show you here how you can add a block and find or link that hidden page. Click on Add Block. Add maybe a button or text. For example, I'm going to add a text, or I'm going to add a button. This button is going to contain a text of maybe home, like that. I'm going to make it smaller, like that. Put it here. We're going to link it by clicking on Edit Link. Now we're going to have, as you can see, the URL. I'm going to let it as URL and click on the field right there. So we are going to find the main navigation links and also the hidden navigation. So we are going to click on Home, and we are either going to open the link in a new tab or lit it as it is. So this button is going to be clickable, and it will take us to the hidden page, which is going to be home. By that, hidden from the navigation. Additional tip: if you want to track how many visitors click your custom buttons, you can use Squarespace Analytics. This helps you understand which hidden pages are performing well, especially for marketing campaigns or featured content. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one. Final added note: if you found this helpful, consider adding timestamps, linking related tutorials in the description, or showing a quick before and after demo to make the process even clearer for your audience.